Need computer repair in Naples, Florida? Fix My Computer Naples. We offer reliable and affordable solutions for all your tech troubles. Our services include virus removal, hardware repairs, software fixes, and more. We serve both Naples and Estero, Florida, providing convenient on-site repairs at your home or office. Wondering about the cost? Prices vary based on the service needed. We offer transparent pricing and free estimates, ensuring you know what to expect before any work begins. Why choose Fix My Computer Naples? Our team is affordable, reliable, and professional. We pride ourselves on delivering quality service with a smile, ensuring your computer is in good hands. We're fast and efficient, resolving most issues within hours. Our goal is to get you back up and running as quickly as possible, minimizing downtime. Ready to schedule a repair? Call us at 239-382-7247. We'll arrange a convenient time for a home or office visit, making the process easy and hassle-free.